Okay, I want to welcome y'all to MAT65 online class. My name is Bob Bieg. I will be your instructor for this summer session. I know many of y'all are in this class hoping to move on to either a technical math or possibly to eventually take college algebra. And I just want to kind of go over some things about me, some things to be successful in this class. And then when this video is done, there'll be a second video, and I'm actually going to take you through the class itself, clicking on some of the links in the class to kind of show you where stuff is. So please watch the next one as well. I think the next one's probably even more vital than this one. But at any rate, this is an online class. Success usually requires you to keep a good pace with your work. Biggest problem I see with students in online classes is waiting till the last minute to do stuff. So don't be that student. It's very tough. It's not as easy as we think it is because it's online. A lot of it's on your own. You have to structure yourself. You have to force yourself to get online, do your work. Try to do something every day. Today, after you watch this video, you need to read the syllabus and take the syllabus acknowledgement test, and then get busy on something. When I show you the outline and kind of go through the course with you, you'll see that there's a lot of topics we cover. And our first test our midterm test is June 6th, but your first quiz is due very soon. So make sure that you get on, start doing your work. Don't wait till the end, because then you're not going to be successful. So that's that. So please structure yourself. If you're working full time, take 30 minutes, an hour a night to do something. That's what you need to do. Okay, so the students that are successful are the ones who don't wait till the end to do everything. That's one thing. Now, the other thing, which again I will talk about in the class tour, is you have two proctored exams. You have the midterm exam and the final exam. They must both be proctored, and you have to have a passing average on those two exams to pass the course. So you need to prepare for them, and I will go over how to do that as well. But it's going to take, some dedication. It's a 6-week course, so it's going to fly by. So just make sure you're, doing what you need to do. You can work as far ahead as you want. Oftentimes there are issues with getting an exam proctored, early, but you can check that on the proctoring schedule. I think at BCTC we're pretty liberal about when we proctor. You just have to set up an appointment. I'm not sure about the other campuses, so you'll have to look into that depending on where you are. So, just do your work, do your own work. If you get help, that's fine, but you have to do your own work, because when you take the test, you're on your own. So try to practice as much as possible with as little help as possible. If you get stuck, you need to email me, okay? You need to read your email, because I often send out videos, helpful hints, stuff like that, to touch base with you all. So it's very important that you read your email. That's the only way we communicate in an online class, so think about it. So if you're bad at reading email, you need to get good. For 6 weeks. That's all I ask, 6 weeks, because I will communicate. If you email me a question, majority of the time I'll be back with you within a day. Usually weekends could be tough. I may be out of town here and there, so I may not be 24-hour email response time on the weekends, but that is the weekend. So I'll read them Monday. But if you email me at 10 o'clock, don't expect a response at 11. So you have to be patient as well, because, I don't have my phone on me, and the email I use for this class isn't even on my phone. So I do not, I'm old, and so I don't really live on my phone. But I will check my email every day. So if you email me at 2 a.m., I'll read it the next morning. So if it's something, an emergency, we'll do the best we can. But at any rate, read your email, know the policies, read the syllabus, and just, prepare to work hard. You need this class, so give it your all. Okay? Don't procrastinate. I can't say that enough. And you wonder why I'm saying it so many times? Because I've taught this course for many years, and the success rate is about 50% if I'm lucky. So that means half the class does not get through. And I don't know if it's always the difficulty. I think it's just the dedication. So you have to dedicate yourself that you will do what you need to do to learn the material. And math is all about practicing and getting better. So you don't get better without practice. All right, so that's it. So the next video, again, I will take you through a tour through the class. You may be able to open up the class and watch the video at the same time. I mean, these are YouTube videos, so you might be able to open up 2 windows and kind of, go through the clicks like I'm doing, or you can just watch it. But at any rate, please watch it. I think it was very helpful.